Turning the appliance on. Before turning the appliance on, make sure the main switch is pressed. To turn the appliance on, press the On Standby button. The message, "Heating up, please wait," is displayed. After heating, the message "Rinsing" is displayed. During rinsing, a little hot water comes out of the coffee spouts and is collected in the drip tray underneath. Avoid contact with splashes of water. As well as heating the boiler, the appliance also heats the internal circuits by circulating hot water. The appliance is at temperature when the message indicating the taste and quantity of coffee appears.